Hey guys, Moments here. In this video, I will show you how to remove objects from any pictures using Google Photos. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. So if you want to remove an object from any picture, well, you can do this using Google Photos app. Now let's go ahead and open Google Photos app. And then look for the picture that you want to remove an object. Example, this one is a thumbnail from one of my YouTube videos. Let's say I want to remove this text. Now the first thing to do is click this edit button, then tap on actions. In here, select magic eraser, then click upload. After that, the next thing is to brush the object that you want to remove. Then it will automatically detect that object, then click the erase button. And just like that, the object is now removed. Well, let's try again. Now, let me erase the object that I'm holding. So just brush the object just like this. After that, click erase. And there you go guys, that's how simple it is to remove an object from any picture using Google Photos. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe. That would be a big help for us to create more videos like this in the future. Until next time, peace out.